Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you everything I made this past week. This goes from Sunday to Sunday, and it's Sunday morning, so I haven't crocheted today. So it is like a true 7 days. First, I'll start with showing you my whips, and then I will show you everything quickly from my last video. But you can check out that full video right here. It was seeing how much I can crochet in a day. So you've seen 5 of these items. And then I'll show you the rest, because there's at least double that more. Okay. So, we've got whip number 1. This is going to be like a life-size dragon for my nephew. I could not find huge safety eyes, so these eyes are glued on. Multiple layers of glue just to make sure it sticks. And yeah, I got this snoot so far. This is around an hour's worth of work, and obviously I've got a ton more to go, but it's for his first birthday party, and his first birthday party is not till March. So my sister commissioned me to make this early so I have enough time to work on it. So I'll link these patterns down below if you guys are interested. This is the next thing I'm working on. This is a beagle. It's a gift for my mother-in-law's birthday / Mother's Day. Her birthday / Mother's Day was in May, and I just suck. So this is as far as I got on this guy, but he's coming out pretty cute. So I did a little bit of work on both of those. Now for the things that I made for my last video, I made this dinosaur. I made this little frog. Jujubee, it's okay. I made these 2 Chunky Boy mushrooms, and I made this little pink and yellow axolotl. So like I said, you can see that in the video. I linked it, and I'll link it down below too if you want. And then as for everything else, I made this guy. I like him. This is how I could tell you I was crocheting slow when I showed all that stuff in that video that I had made, because this guy took only 6 hours, but I worked for about 7 hours on those 5 items, and they're small. So, but yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna price this guy for 60 bucks or more. 60 is only 10 an hour. I usually like to aim a little higher than that, but I've never had anything on my table more than 40. So, but yeah, I think this will be cool. Help draw people into my booth because you can see him from far away, and he is quite large. I really like how he came out. Gotta put him back in my box. I keep a box back there, so as I'm making market things, I can throw them into the box. I'm gonna need a bigger box though here soon, or a second box, but I don't want to mix that in with my market stuff because it's not tagged yet. I also made this. I really like this pattern. It came out cute. My only regret is I want to make another one and do a brighter pink, because I just think it would look better. This is a little too light, but it's a hummingbird. I have a bunch of hummingbird feeders outside my house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just hummingbird feeders. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 regular bird feeders. And I like to sit and bird watch. When I'm taking breaks. You know, just stare out the window. They'll land, because some of them... Here, I guess I could just show ya. So, some of them are on my window. So I get birds right up on my window. So if you work in an office or at your home and have a window nearby, they're a lot of fun to get. I guess I can link some of those below too. Not expensive and a lot of fun. I show them to the kids anytime a bird comes up and lands on them. And we've done some research to figure out what birds are what. I think everybody by look can tell a hummingbird and a cardinal, which we get a lot, but then there's other ones that we figured out. One of them, and this brought me a lot of joy because I'm a child. One of them is called a tufted titmouse. True story. Anyway, I made this little weeby alien, and in the same yarn I made this little leggy frog filla. So those were cool no-sew patterns. This was almost a no-sew pattern. It is Freddy Krueger. You do have to sew his hat on, but the rest of it is no-sew. And I think I ended up doing the arms like in the wrong spot, but I'm still pleased with how he came out. And this is going to be like perfect for like Halloween-y type stuff for the fall markets. So I'm kind of like obsessed with him. Though somehow my sister thought he looked like Harry Potter. But I think he looks like Freddy. I mean, as much as like a 6-inch tall plush could look like Freddy Krueger. And then my own patterns coming soon. These are a free pattern that will be on my channel, and they are one of the patterns that are going to be given away to our winners. And then this is also going to be a pattern given away to our winners, but it is not going to be a free pattern, but these are going to be a part of the pattern pack with at least one more pattern that I'm working on, and it's going to be like a little Halloween no-sew pattern pack situation. And yes, that is everything I made last week. Keep in mind that I also have, well, I have 3 kids, but 2 of them are here with me. My other one's up north visiting her grandma. But I have 2 young kids that I take care of every day. And I also have a job. I am a freelance writer. So this is not like a ton of stuff, but I think it was a pretty good, productive week considering. And I'm also painting my bathroom too, which is like a project in itself. Bathrooms, they trick you, man. They seem like they'd be fast because they're a small room, but then there's like 1,000 things to paint around. You have to paint around the mirror, you have to paint around the window, you have to paint around the sink. So it's actually taking a lot longer than I anticipated. And yeah, so all that we can discuss another time. But thank you for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you'd like to see more crochet content, check out this video right here. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!